This is an Alberta emergency alert. County of 40 Mile number 8 has updated the Overland flood alert. This alert is in effect for 40 Mile County number 8. There is a large amount of snow meltwater traveling across land. This is leading to localized flooding. Water flowing over and eroding roadways. Travel through low areas may be hazardous. If you are in the affected area, take all necessary precautions. Follow the directions of local authorities. Do not travel through water-covered roads. Avoid the area. Listen for further updates and follow the instructions that apply to your area. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.